Hello po, sir. This is the diagram. The diagram illustrated the basic electrical power system of an aircraft, showing how electricity is generated to regulate and distribute and protected. The process begins with the first one is the alternator, which serves as a main source of electrical power. When the engine runs, its spin alternator converting mechanical energy into electrical energy. The electrical output passes through the voltage regulator. The voltage regulator device is responsible for maintaining a steady voltage level in the system. The regulator ensures that the alternator does not overcharge or undercharge the battery, and that all electrical components receive consistent and power supplies. And circuit in the ammeter, which measure the amount and direction of current flow, it shows whether altimeter is supplying enough current to charge the battery, indicated by a positive in reading, or the battery in providing extra power meet system demand, indicated by a negative reading. The electrical power then flows to the main bus, which acts the central distribution point for the system. From the main bus, electricity is delivered to various electrical components, including the avionics bus, which sensitive equipment like instrument and communication device. The avionics bus is often separated to protect delicate system from the electrical noise of functions that could affect performance. The next is connected to the main bus, the battery, which serves as energy storage and backup power source. When alternator function in charge battery and supplies power to all electrical loads. However, the alternator fails, the engine of the battery automatically takes over supply power to protect the system. The six and protect the system circuit breaker are insulated along the electrical lines. This acts as a safety device that automatically cut off power in short circuit or overload occurs, providing damage to our equipment. So thank you po, sir.